Hello everyone and happy gardening 2025.
Yeah.
We are starting our gardening season with
Roses.
other than roses. And of course we're planting David Austins. We went ahead and really thought about it and said, you know what? We need more.
A lot more.
We need more DAs. So I think in here is 15 bare root roses.
That's by my count, yes, 15. Yeah.
Okay. So we have 2 boxes here, and they need to get in. We're going to go ahead and put them in the bucket with water that we're filling in right now.
Yeah.
Right underneath us. And here we have the names of them, because I forgot a few. So you want to explain to them there was 2 bundles?
So if you haven't been on the David Austin website lately, they had, earlier in the season, because I think a lot of them have already sold out, they had bundles where you can get 3 roses for, I think, $90 US. So that's what we went ahead and did. We got 4 total bundles, and then we threw a couple extra roses in there, of course.
Some of them are roses that we have not grown at all before and really want it. And the colors are just what I've been wanting in the garden too.
Yeah.
So just check that. Still has a bit to go, or?
I think we're good with that.
Okay. So I'm going to start just mentioning before we put the bare root roses in the water. I'm going to go ahead and say the names of some of them. Okay, so there's Gabriel Oak.
Yep.
Had to have it. The Generous Gardener. I can't say that one.
Scepter de Isle.
I'm not going to butcher the names. I'm going to have him, he can say them better than I can. Boscable.
Yep.
Now, a friend on somewhere, I think Instagram.
I think it was Instagram.
They live here in Texas, and they told me to go ahead and get that one, Boscable. It does really good here in Texas.
Yeah.
Okay, so Princess Alexandra of Kent, been wanting that one since forever.
Yep.
Another Strawberry Hill. We already have a Strawberry Hill. Now that one is a climber.
Yes.
And we're going to go ahead and add a second one to our garden. That's how good that one is.
Gento Hermine. I think that's how it's pronounced.
And then that one. You wanted that one.
Tottering by Gento. Love the way that one looked.
Yeah, it's very pretty. It's a single flower yellow one. It's really, really pretty. Lady of Shalott.
Yep.
Now we have that one, but she's that good and beautiful that we...
Oh, yeah.
So we have the climber one, and now we have the shrub one.
Yep. So that's going to be a nice rose to have here. Bathsheba.
You just knew I wasn't going to say that, right?
Yeah, I knew she was going to say it. So that's another one that I've been eyeing for some time, so it's pretty exciting to have that one.
The Lark Ascending.
Yep.
Charles Darwin. A lot of you have been telling me about that rose.
Yep.
Carding Mill.
Yep, Carding Mill.
We have 2 rose trees up front in our front entrance. It's 2 trees.
Yep, standards, yes.
There you go. I'll leave that one for last because it's my favorite.
Yeah, and Evelyn. Evelyn is one that I've been wanting for some time as well. So that came in one of the bundles, so we're excited to get those.
Harlow Carr. Had to get Harlow Carr. I have that. That was our first David Austin ever.
Yeah, was our first David Austin rose ever.
Beautiful, beautiful, just perfect pink. I needed to get another because we have an area where we only have 3. I needed that 4th one, so that's what we got.
Yep.
And now we're just going to do at least just 1 box.
So
and then probably need another tub for the rest. I don't want to squeeze them all in there like that.
Yeah. So we have some plans of where we're going to plant these at. But when you receive these, first thing you want to do is, if you're not going to plant them right away, is get them in some water. You can have them in water for up to 36 hours. I wouldn't leave them any longer than that. But these all look very healthy, so we're just going to put those...
You can get them in right away,
which
would be the best thing if you're ready to plant. Or you can at least wait 3 days, maybe.
Yep.
We've been really bad. We've left them more than... In the past, we've left them maybe a whole week.
Yeah.
You can actually, if you don't have time to... you're not going to be able to plant them, you can go ahead and put them back in the package after you soak them, just for a little bit longer, and then I guess you do it all over again.
Pretty much, yep.
But yeah, these guys are ready to go. Look at this. But they're good. we've always had, we've never had a problem with that.
Yeah.
But what I advise is have everything prepared. As soon as, especially if this is your first time ever buying roses from bare root, I advise to have everything prepared. Have the dig your hose already, have everything ready before you do this, and do it immediately after they're done soaking.
Yeah. So that's your first box. We're gonna do the next one off camera, but
another one.
We just wanted to do a quick video because I know we haven't done anything in a while. Show you guys what we're planning for the season.
You can bring them out so they can just see that they're in there.
Yeah, we have a lot more.
These are more overgrown already.
Yeah. So, yeah, but they're gonna grow some more once we get them in the ground. They'll do just fine. I'm
so excited. We didn't know if we were gonna go ahead and do more roses. We were also not going to show this part, were we?
Not really.
We didn't know yet. We're just gathering ourselves together. We know the area that we want to have all the roses. I'm very excited for that. We're going to start digging out probably tomorrow already, making the bed. And that's how we were going to open up for everybody. But it's been a while since we've been on YouTube, and we wanted to say hi. We miss everyone. We just wanted to come back and say hi. And show everybody what's going on and that we are still gardening, and we can't wait to just get this garden going.
Definitely.
We'll do more of another video talking about what's been going on, the plants. Right now I have plants like everywhere that we've been gathering, just plantings that are ready to go. I'll probably be doing something else tomorrow too for you guys on video.
Yeah.
And there's the little booklet.
They give you a planting guide every time you order these roses, so keep an eye out for that.
Yes.
It's going to tell you exactly how to plant them, what to do, tells you about the water and all that, so pretty good little guide as well.
So we will be showing you how they're supposed to get planted. So if you're here for that reason, to find out how to plant them I'm guessing, maybe not, I don't know. We'll see how many videos after this.
Yeah.
But it has to get done really fast after this one. All right. We just wanted to say hi.
Yeah. It's a long overdue hi. We'll talk about it more later, but it's very exciting to get this season started, to get a couple things in the ground.
And we're just excited to be doing roses because we tried for so long to get away from doing roses, because being from here, from San Antonio, roses are they do amazing here. But for me, I grew up with roses everywhere all the time. So I wanted to, these 20 years that we were away from here, from home, I wanted to try out so many other plants, but you just seem to always come back to what
it's just you
got brought up with,
right? It's a gravitational pull.
Yeah, we've always had roses no matter what. So I guess we keep it here short, and we'll see you pretty soon.
Yeah. See you later, guys.
Bye.